This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy using a blender at home. First, understand that cotton candy forms when sugar is melted and spun into thin strands. A powerful blender can replicate this process by creating the necessary centrifugal force. You'll need granulated sugar, optional food coloring, and your favorite flavorings. This method offers a fun, simple way to enjoy a classic treat right in your kitchen. Before you begin, make sure your blender is spotless and has a strong motor, ideally 1,000 watts or more for optimal performance. Next, prepare your sugar mixture. You can add a few drops of food coloring and a dash of flavoring extract directly to your granulated sugar. Finally, set up a large, empty bowl or a cardboard box around your blender to effectively catch the delicate sugar strands as they form. With your blender running on a high setting, carefully and slowly pour your prepared sugar mixture into the center. The high-speed rotation of the blades will melt and then spin the sugar into incredibly fine, wispy threads. As these threads emerge, use a paper cone or a wooden stick to gently gather and wrap the cotton candy around it. It's quite magical to watch it form. For the best cotton candy, always use finely granulated sugar. Coarser sugar might not spin as effectively. Don't be afraid to get creative with your flavors and colors. Try extracts like vanilla, strawberry, or even bubblegum. Remember to clean your blender right after use, as hardened sugar can be tricky to remove. Enjoy your homemade, fluffy, and delicious cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.